Okay, so you see this cool ACA Mario. Oh. Well, there it is. This is the whole video. Sean, you were curious, or people were curious. How do you do this really cool? Oh, fuck you. Sorry. We're gonna go to background. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go. What's it called? Yeah. How do you do this cool radio blur? It's actually really cool. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna exit out of you. Save. We're gonna go here. We're gonna go to new. And default, because we're cool like that. Let's import something cool. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to Photoshop. No. We're gonna go here. Poetry. We're gonna go to Bingo Springo Photo Shoot. Ooh. It's gonna be a lot of work. Just to show you how to do this cool radio. Okay, we're gonna choose a cool picture. Open it. Hell yeah. We're gonna take this out a little bit just because we're cool like that. We're gonna exit out of that because I don't need that shit anymore. Then we're gonna do magic wand. No. Command D. We're gonna go to quick select. Oh, Sean, I'm so sorry for defacing your body. Oh my god, these lines are killing me. So we're gonna do this quick selection because that's how it works. Get the bum drums right there. Cool. And then we're gonna go and select it. Oh no, god, we gotta unlock it. Then we gotta go select a mask. Hell yeah, there's your mask. And then we're gonna put new layer. And this one we're gonna go command delete. There we go, so we have a white background now. And then, let me edit this first and I'll get right back to you. So that does it for that. And now let's get on to what I said we were going to do. We're going to go do gradient. And then we're going to go to new gradient. And then it's going to be called Suggers. Cool colors. And then you go here, right? Suggers, cool colors. Then, forget, it's custom, yeah. Then we're going to go, wait, here's how you do it. We're going to create a new color, and we're going to go here. Then it's going to be something cool. Riley, you like green, I think, so I'm going to give you a cool, bright green. But then, we're going to take it like that. Stop it. That's going to be white. And then, oh wait, no, this one's gonna be, it's gonna be cool. We're gonna have green and we're gonna have a weird blue, and it's gonna do stuff like that. We're gonna go that small. Then it's gonna be another color. That one's gonna be, oh god, we need like bright pink because pink is cool. That one's gonna stop it, and then We're gonna click OK, and then we're gonna click. We're gonna be on a gradient tool, and wait. I want to go out a little. Oh God. And of course you drag it, right? What? Wait, did I do? Oh, we gotta go to the layer. Boo. There you go. That's your cool color. But then, radial gradient. I'm stupid. Booyah. Then you can click Command T. Increase. Oh shit. Do-no-no-no. Shift. Do-no. Then we're gonna click check mark. And then that's how you make your own fucking gradient. And this one is called... Oh wait. Wait. Sugger's Cool Colors. But then guess what? We're not done yet. Then we're gonna give it a cool... The man... Bongo Man. Fuck, what's his name? I forget Bongo Man's name. No. Yes. We're gonna go... The Bongo Man. Oh wait, yeah, his name's Bingo Springo. Then we're gonna go... Oh, hell yeah. Bingo Springo. But Bingo Springo is gonna be smaller, and it's gonna be fucking green. Oh wait, we're gonna take that green, and we're gonna make it bigger. Look at Bingo Springo. Then we're gonna take Bongo Man, and then we're gonna go with it's gonna be this color. And then it's going to be okay. And then we're going to go to right here, and we're going to go FX. We're going to go bevel and emboss. What if we do outer bevel? Oh, hell yeah. Then we're going to go... That looks nice. Then we're going to go to Bingo Springo. Then we're going to go FX. We're going to go bevel and emboss. We're going to do inner... Oh, wait. Outer bevel. And it just looks just as good. The Bongo Man, Bingo Springo, and then we're gonna add another text, and it's gonna only on Friday night only. At the club Zanzibar. 10 p.m. That's going to be all a new color. That's going to be this hot pink. And then we're going to go, cool. Then we're going to go Friday night on, and we're going to go bevel and emboss. Then we're going to go, yeah. Friday night only. We're going to go. The Bongo Man's going to stay right here. Bingo Springo is going to be moved over here. Boom, yeah. No, I like Bingo Springo right here. What if it's like just perfectly lined? Friday night only at the Club Zanzibar, 10 o'clock p.m. Now we got to add something cool next to it. Fuck. Why won't you let me in open? There we go. Oh, open. We're gonna open... this one. Then we're gonna... I just want your face. Yes. Then we're gonna unlock that shit and then go booyah. Then I'm gonna go to brush. Wee! I'm kidding. Fuck, we gotta turn up hardness. Boo boo boo, why does fucking Photoshop do that? make it smaller. Yes. Yes. Now we're gonna X. Gotta add in your chin right. Okay, cool. Don't judge my... I know I cut off your chin a bit, Sean. Sorry. There you go. That's... It's good enough. Layer 0 copy. We're gonna take... Hee. Then we're gonna click Command T. And we're gonna have your head sticking out from, like, right here. Booyah! Bingo springo! Then we're gonna have some cool, more text. Come on. Out for fun night. And then we're gonna do it like that. But then colors, we can't have same color stuff. That's just stupid. So we're gonna do a cool color. We're gonna take the wood. We'll take your jean color. We'll do a cool bevel and emboss. Just like yours. Hell yeah. Then we're gonna take our paintbrush, right? No. Okay. There we go. Here's your video. I hope you liked it.